Today I'm showing you a full body workout using nothing but a couple of buckets, rope, and maybe some work gloves. You don't need dumbbells, you don't need a squat rack, you don't need any equipment. In fact, if you already own 2 buckets, you can probably buy everything you need for around 15 bucks or less. And before somebody says, I don't have equipment at home, these buckets may be some of the cheapest and most versatile fitness equipment you'll ever own. And the best part, using nothing more than 2 buckets of water, we can train the 5 movement patterns that make up almost everything we do in daily life. And this is going to make sure that we carry our strength for the long haul. Let me show you what I mean. Most of us have these items laying around the house, but it never occurs to us just how useful they can be for building strength and staying fit. Water weighs a little over 8 pounds per gallon, so a full 5-gallon bucket weighs about 42 pounds before you even count the bucket itself. And the best part is you can easily adjust the resistance. I'm using water, but sand, rocks, or bricks work just as well, especially as you get stronger. Before I fill the buckets with water, I use them for my push-ups, and I like feet elevated push-ups. Push-ups have stood the test of time for a reason. They train the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once. Every time you push yourself off the floor, move furniture, or place something overhead, you're using pushing strength. These buckets create the resistance. The push-ups give you horizontal pushing, but vertical pushing is also important. For vertical pushing, bucket overhead presses work real good. And believe it or not, you don't need much weight for this movement, but the vertical push movement keeps your structure balanced. It's simple, effective, and surprisingly challenging. Carry movements are so important to our everyday strength requirements, and many men spend time in the gym moving weights, but most men never think to focus on carry movements. Farmers' carries and suitcase carries may not look impressive, but carrying strength is one of the most useful forms of strength you'll ever build. Think groceries, coolers, luggage, tools, even grandchildren. Life never stops asking us to carry things. Most people push way more than they pull, and this creates an imbalance in our muscle structure, joints, and overall strength. For this movement, you can use bucket rows, bucket curls, and rope hammer curls, just to name a few. Rows help strengthen the upper back and improve posture. The curls build arm strength, forearm strength, and grip strength. And strong arms tend to make just about everything easier. Hinge movements could be the most neglected movement I see among gym goers. If you think about working in the yard and how many times you bend to lift and how many times that leads to back issues because the lumbar and hips lack strength and mobility. But Romanian deadlifts with buckets can change all of that. Every time you bend over and pick something up, you're performing a hinge. Strong hips and hamstrings help support nearly every movement we perform throughout the day. This is one of those exercises that pays dividends for years. Many people avoid squatting because of the fear of injury, but you don't need to throw a heavy barbell on your back to get stronger legs. Using the buckets, you can do traditional squats with 2 buckets, goblet squats, split squats, and step-ups. Strong legs help us keep doing the things we enjoy. Things like walking, climbing stairs, or working around the house, whatever it is you're doing. and most importantly, living independently. If there's one thing worth preserving as we age, it's the ability to keep moving. I've just shown you an entire full body workout using nothing more than 2 buckets and water, 5 movement patterns, 1 inexpensive setup. Proof that you don't need a gym full of equipment to build useful strength. Sometimes all you need is a couple of buckets, some water, and a willingness to go to work.